So in listening to a lot of you and seeing what you're doing, I am hearing that a lot of you are stressing out about the actual layout of your pages. You made these beautiful layouts in Photoshop, but then when it comes to the idea of setting them up in Dreamweaver, you start to get a little bit stressed out about that. So I want to address that directly and look at several different methods from kind of the old-fashioned, well, not old-fashioned, but more old-fashioned way to the more modern responsive ways to set up a web page. Now, don't let things stress you out when you look at a website, because this is basically just broken up. This design that I have here is broken up really into just about 5 different sections. I have the header section, I have what will be my nav section, I have my main content section, and I have a footer. That's all this is. Now if I was going to rearrange this, it doesn't matter. I still could have just my if this was going to be over on the side or whatever rotated, it doesn't matter. I can have it sideways, forwards, backwards. I can have more sections. Don't start thinking that this has to be a section and this has to be a section and each one of these has to be a section. Group things into large chunks. So header, navigation, contents, and footer. That's all this page is. Okay, and so now all I need to do, I'm going to grab this and move it up a little bit so you can see. Okay, there we go. Jump down there for a second. I'm going to go ahead and grab these things, and I've named certain things with like .png. That's my cloud. I have my little flash thing in the background. That's flash.png. My background is a JPEG. I've named these things that I know that I'm going to want to keep, and my Stratus logo is .png. Those things that I want to take in with me, I'm going to name in the format that I want to take in. Now these other things that are text, I really don't care about because I'm not going to take those in as graphics. I will actually use text inside of my web page once I get in there, so I don't really even need that text to show. I would show that to show a client, but in the end I don't really want any of that stuff. All I really want is this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to generate my assets. Now this is using Photoshop CC. If you're using an older version, you're going to need to either suck it up and export these things all by yourself, or perhaps you can make a friend with somebody who has CC and have them do it, because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to generate my image assets. Now if I go to my desktop, don't y'all laugh at my desktop because I know it's a mess. I'm putting all of this stuff in a folder called Demo, and it actually made my assets for me. I have some stuff here that I probably don't need that I forgot to hide, but I have my background, my flash ping, my help cloud, and my Stratus logo. Those are the only things I actually need to take in with me.